Alright, we've got a stuck button on the left side of an iPhone. The little toggle on and off won't move. Let me show you how I fixed it. Alright, so this is the wife's iPhone. She brought to me and said the little toggle on and off switch to silent or mute doesn't move. Check that out with your fingernail. There's just no movement whatsoever. So what is going on here? I suspect something is actually impeding it if my fingernail won't actually move it. So I'm taking a little pocket knife here and very carefully, without scratching any of the coating or the paint, just taking that blade and trying to clean out to see if there's any piece of sand or something that's stuck under there. So here's a better view of what I'm doing. Very carefully. Again, something sharp. Don't cut that coating, break that paint, right? That would be bad news. And there we go. That is what worked for me. You could see it toggle on and off. Now, before you leave, we're going to do the same thing with the button pressed down. We're going to make sure, before we walk away from the project, that we clean out the top part as well. Again, making sure there's no piece of sand or any type of, dirt, and that both sides operate now smoothly. So we'll do it a couple of times. And that is how I fixed mine. Hopefully this helped you out. Thanks so much.